Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and as you can see, we are back to the mixing table. I didn't have exactly what I saw in the inspiration, so I'm mixing it up. And what is the inspiration, you ask? Well, if you saw my short from a couple days ago, you know that a new video dropped from the girl group Stacy, and that is spelled the way you see it on the screen right now, Stacy. And that video went super viral. I was just on the trending page and saw it, and when I watched the video, there are so many nail looks in there, and so I've already done a short to represent something I saw in the video. It was partial nail look, partial something else, and if you've seen the video, you know what I mean. And it had their little stay with symbol, so that's what I represented. But this is further on in the video. There's a girl and she's got like a little letter box or keepsake box, and the nails that she has in that, I'm going to put a picture up there. I really responded to those, and I thought, well, let me do my interpretation of that look, and so that's what you're going to get today. This is from the Beautiful Monster video that just came out 2 days ago. I imagine it has got a lot more views now, and I know I watched it a few times myself. So I contributed to, let's see how many video views it has, 19 million in 2 days. So I felt like I had to do something that represented how popular and awesome these girls are. They are gorgeous. They are talented singers and dancers. I like the song, but they switch back and forth between Korean and and English very flawlessly, just like so fast. And so I feel like I'm never gonna learn any of the phrases in the song. But I wish that I could, and maybe I'll try. But it's a cute little tune, and the way that they dance is, I really respond to it. They're very adorable. If you've not watched it, I'd go give them another view. Check it out. It's a good video. And as you can see, I'm trying my best to match in my own way what's in the picture. But I have a cat eye polish that I'm using, so I'm just using it to make to flip all the little magnet pieces or metal pieces and give it that sort of frosty glow. And oops, I touched that a little bit, so we needed to fix that. And if you noticed in the picture, and it was hard for me to get in a very good picture of the nails, but it's not just an exact French, it's a messy French, right? And some is at the top, some's on the bottom, so that's what I responded to, that it was a little messy, a little fun, a little girly, and then it's outlined in that pretty glittery awesomeness. And so that's why we made our own glitter, because I didn't have anything that, I don't even think what I made is an exact representation of what she's wearing, but I think it's pretty close. I think I did pretty good. So I had actually intended for today's video to be my other hand, and that's what you're gonna see Saturday. I've got some ideas. Hopefully I can make everything work out. I had actually just seen something by Votino, who is so pretty. I'm not sure if I can make it work, but I might have to try. It was just so pretty. But it was also quirky and a little weird, and you know, that's right up my alley. But this was a trending video on YouTube, and you strike when the iron's hot. So I decided, let's go ahead and do something that maybe, you know, hits a little bit. I really responded to their nails. Their nails are a lot shorter than this and a little more rounded. But I decided to just keep it with a nice coffin shape. I really respond. I wear coffin most of the time. It's my favorite shape. So that's why I went coffin instead. Also, it saved me a bunch of filing. I don't have any rounded tips. Maybe that is something that I should explore at the nail shop. I need to go to the nail shop. Would you like a video of the nail shop? Let me know. If it's not super busy in there, I would ask if it would be okay. There's a little dog hair from Jake, a little something from Jake, so you remember how cute he is. He has only been in 1 or 2 videos. So if you want to see more of him, let me know. This is the custom color we created, and I am using it to outline our messy French. And it's kind of an around the world French. I'm not sure what that would be called. Like it's a cuff at the top and a French at the bottom. So a cuffy French. I don't know. If you have a name for it, let me know. You know, I'm just making up stuff as I go along. Because why not? Now, one of her nails had gone all the way around the side, and I didn't take the blue on the side, but I decided to take this down the side. I don't know if it mattered or not. You don't really notice it in the end reveal shots and whatnot, so it probably could have been left without it, but there it is. I did it. Sometimes you do things and it's not as effective as you think it's going to be, but that's the way it is, and there you go. So now we're coming in with our top coat, and I'm going to use the top coat to affix our gems. If you notice in the picture, the pictures that I put, there are gems in the middle of her nails. And you're going to see this, I had decided to go ahead and just do it in the middle like it was in the video, but I didn't like it. So you'll see what I'm going to do in the end. But here we go. Look at how pretty the top coat makes this look. It smooths everything out. I'm really a fan of this top coat. It's by 7 Star. It's super shiny. It's not too thin, but not too thick. It really does fill in any little bumps or scratches that you might have from whatever. You know, maybe you didn't file as well as you wanted to. It fills all that in. It's really, really nice. And as you can see, I'm coming in and putting them right in the middle, but I'm already feeling like I don't like it, okay? But I'm still going, and right here, I'm like, no, I don't like it. Let's move them. Okay, boom. Up a little, boom. There we go. Up a little, boom. And then this one, I think here, no, up, and boom. Now we're gonna have to clean up that top coat because it got a little bit wonky from the moving of the gems. But isn't that much more pleasing? Guys, this is the finished set. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Are you a fan of Stacy Girl Group? Is this your first time hearing about them? This is the first time I heard about them this week, and I have to say, turning into a little bit of a fan. I want to thank you so much for watching today and any time that you watch. And if you have any requests for anything you'd like to see me do, leave it in the comment section below. See you on Saturday. Bye-bye.